How you can log into MyCigna's account. So if you want to log into MyCigna's website, this is how you can do it. So first of all, open any web browser you have and then search for MyCigna Healthcare, and this will open up this website or this web page. Here you can click on the second link that says MyCigna, your secure member portal. And this will open up the home page for MyCigna's official website, and here you can find an option to log in. So just click on this button right here. This will open up a new tab and take you to the login portal, and here you can just enter your username and then enter your password. Once you have entered your username and your password, you can just simply click on login, but make sure you have entered your correct username and password before you log in. And in some cases you might have forgot your username, so you can recover your username by clicking right here. And if you forgot your password, you can click the forgot password option. That will send you a reset link on your email or your phone number. And if you haven't registered in this website, here is an option to register, or you can change your language from here. And yeah, that's how you can easily log into your MyCigna's healthcare service. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.